For our standing tibialis raise, we're leaning back against the wall. The further the feet are away from the wall, the harder this is going to be. We want to keep the ankle, knee and hip in a straight line. Knees not bent at all. Try not to lock them completely though, but isolate the movement from there. Keep your kneecaps in line with your hip and the front of your foot. And then from here, we're going to pull the toes up towards the shins firmly. We should feel this into our tibialis muscle on the front of the shin. And this is really helpful for decelerating the foot or for pulling yourself down into the bottom of a squat. So pull up firmly, hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds, and then control on the way back down.